Welcome to this video on Korea's 2025 public AI transformation. This roadmap aims to achieve a global AI G3 nation status, moving from digitalization to AI transformation with a 10 trillion Korean won investment. Korea is racing for G3 status alongside the USA and China, targeting independent technical sovereignty. The 10 trillion Korean won government investment is projected to yield a total economic effect of 30 trillion Korean won. The strategy involves a public-private symbiosis, where government data merges with private tech through a consortium. Funding is set to increase from 735 million Korean won in 2025 to 2.2 billion Korean won in 2026, managed by NEPA. A key initiative is building the K-Cloud AI Highway. Hardware includes 260,000 secured GPUs at the National AI Computing Center. The target is infinite compute for startups, with the master plan set for Q1 2025. The Governor M.AX 2.0 tech stack features small large language models, multimodal capabilities for text, image, and voice, and agentic AI for autonomous action. It supports foundation model direct use, fine-tuning, and API integration. AI is automating the bureaucracy. Examples include the tax tribunal using AI for drafting investigation reports, the patent agent translating jargon into plain English, and global commerce translating world laws in real time. AI acts as a national guardian. Capabilities include 24/7 real-time monitoring for suicide prevention and rescue dispatch. It also covers infodemic control through automated fake news detection and pandemic defense via traveler data analysis. AI is revolutionizing the physical economy. Smart farms use data-driven analysis for yield maximization. Industrial safety is improved with auto-braking accident prediction systems, and labor rights are supported by AI-accelerated accident compensation analysis. The M.AX Alliance aims for manufacturing rebirth, involving over 1,300 companies. This alliance projects a 2025 investment of 700 billion Korean won and demonstrates significant productivity boosts, such as 11% for TYM and 12.5% faster inspection for HD Hyundai Mipo. Proactive citizen services are shifting from application to notification. Over 1,200 services are preemptively alerted via High-Talk Alimi, including benefit notifications, neighbor care for social isolation risk, and disaster CCTV alerts. The process transforms raw data into business value through structured steps. This includes NIA support for curation and quality checks, like de-identification and labeling, followed by implementation via POC and service scenarios. Guardrails focus on ethics and security. Privacy is maintained via G-Cloud and private GPT environments for internal use only. Hallucination is addressed with mandatory cross-validation, and clear ownership guidelines manage copyright. The strategy for successful adoption includes 3 main points. First, start neutral by focusing on value-neutral fields. Second, maintain an ROI focus by distinguishing performance versus innovation investments. Third, foster a culture shift by building a data culture. Official sources for this information include the 2025 Public AX Project Roadmap from MSIT and NEPA, the M.AX Alliance strategy from Modi, and the Digital Platform Government Committee's Governor AI Guidelines 2.0. This slide is intentionally blank. This slide is also intentionally blank.